All right, so continuing with our kitchen counter remodel here, you can see we took the stove out. We didn't do a video on that. We took the hood out. We did take a video of that. I only electrocuted myself once doing that. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do what you guys have probably seen before, where we're going to use contact paper to put over the existing counter to just kind of make it look a little bit more new, more updated. So one thing when you're doing this, guys, you want to make sure that kitchen counter is really clean. So you could use alcohol wipes. That'd probably be better. It dries a little quicker. We don't have alcohol wipes. It's warm enough and sunny enough and that sun coming in that window that we're using Clorox wipes to get the counter good and clean, get all that stuff that, you never get off when you're cleaning. And just make sure it's a really good clean surface before you start with the contact paper. So as you can see, we're going with a marble look. We're not putting actual marble countertops in because, guys, it's a travel trailer. That's way too heavy. So what we're going to do, we're going to lay this out. If you look on the back here, guys, for those of you guys like me that cannot cut straight, it's got lines. It's kindergarten proof, guys. So we're going to lay it out, see exactly how much we need, and then we're going to go ahead and start laying it all out. We've got the first pass done, I guess you could call it. Kind of difficult because I didn't want to take the sink out. If I took the sink out, it probably wouldn't have been nearly as hard. So you'll see where there's some gaps, and with this stuff, you're gonna have to run caulk lines anyways, just to make sure it's water's tight and you don't get water up underneath it. But now what we're working on, we're gonna make this second pass. We're gonna be working on trying to line this up to where it looks right when the seams come together. So let's get on it. So we have finished the covering of the old countertop. Again, guys, all we're using here is contact paper because one, you don't want to put a whole bunch of weight in the trailer, but two, it was really easy. You'll see in the video where we had to do the rounded corners of the countertop because of the lovely rounded corners of travel trailers. You can kind of see how I did it in our video, but I think it turned out pretty awesome. You can see that we painted down here where the stove used to be. That's just a nice little storage area now. We have our butcher block cutting board for where the stovetop used to be, and what appears to be marble countertops now. So I'm really excited about how it turned out. So guys, if this helped you, make sure you comment down below. Let us know it helped you out. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And while you're there, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell so that you get notifications as to when we post new awesome content on renovations just like these guys. So again, guys, thank you for all of your support through all of this, guys, and we'll see you guys next time.